At CDG Inspection, we lead the way in quality assurance with world-class testing solutions. Our ISO 13802 testing services ensure that Pendulum impact testing machines meet the highest standards for CHARPY, ISOD, and tensile impact testing. ISO 13802 verification is critical for accurate and reliable material testing. Our experts ensure your equipment operates with peak accuracy, delivering dependable results every time. We proudly serve industries where material performance is crucial, including automotive, construction, and consumer goods. With years of expertise, our certified professionals deliver unmatched testing and calibration services. Our cutting-edge technology ensures that your Pendulum impact testing machines meet international standards. Achieve full compliance with ISO 13802, proving the reliability of your impact testing machines. Reliable testing impacts real-world applications, from durable car components to everyday plastic products. Our testing supports sustainability, ensuring materials are strong and environmentally friendly. With a global presence, we are trusted by clients around the world for our expertise and precision. We understand your unique needs and provide tailored testing solutions for your projects. Our processes are streamlined to deliver accurate results on time, every time. Don't just take our word for it. Our clients trust us for quality and reliability. Partner with CDG Inspection for ISO 13802 testing. Visit www.cdginspection.com today to make an inquiry.